Let's talk about software engineering and data science.
People often treat them as completely separable fields.
But why is that?
Well, here is the thing.
From a technical standpoint, software engineering focuses on building systems and writing code, while data science is all about extracting insights from data. They are intertwined together like bugs and our code.
No escaping. No escaping.
But have you ever wondered what would software engineering be without data science? Where exactly is the boundary between these two professions?
And what does this have all to do with ChatGPT? Let's break it down in this video. First, let's break down the fundamentals. Software engineering is primarily about building, creating applications, websites, and systems. It's structured, logical, and relies heavily on coding and development skills. Think about it like constructing a house. You have a blueprint and a clear plan to follow. You are using engineering tools and programming languages to bring your vision to life. And on the flip side, we have data science, which is much more focused on getting insights from that data. It's like being a detective. You analyze data, you identify patterns and derive actionable insights that can drive the business further. It combines statistics, mathematics, and programming. And it aims to make sense of the overwhelming data we are having today. Now that we have established the basics, let's explore some key considerations to help you decide which path suits you better. So the first point is a building versus a discovery mindset. Ask yourself, are you more passionate about building the product or discovering the insights? And if you love creating, software engineering might be your calling. But if you are intrigued to analyze data like a detective, data science might be the right thing for you. As a second point, we have the role definition. So think about how well defined should the role be for you. So typically software engineering has more clear career pathways and clear job description. You know what to expect whether you are a front-end developer or a back-end engineer. Data science, on the other hand, can be much more varied, with roles like data analyst, machine learning engineer, or data engineer that are less standardized. And as a third point, let's look at a career progression and salary. Let's get right into it. When it comes to salary, both pathways have lucrative opportunities. However, salaries in data science can fluctuate more because there is a variety of roles. According to recent data, software engineers earn around $92,000 on average, while the data science average is around $113,000 US. But remember, salary shouldn't be the only deciding factor. Think about your career progression too. Now here's where it gets really interesting. As we move into the future, there is a trend towards working more with data rather than just logic. AI and machine learning are on the rise and they rely heavily on this data. This shift suggests that data science might become even more critical in the tech landscape. And the point number 4, the passion for coding. So let me ask you blankly, how much do you enjoy coding? If you love it and you see it as a primary function of your job, software engineering is likely the way to go. But if coding is just a tool for you to generate insight and solve problems, data science might be a better choice. And last but not least, point 5, the entrance barriers. So finally, think about the entrance barriers for entry-level positions. Data science roles tend to have a higher entrance barriers due to the need of statistical knowledge and analytical skills. And software engineering jobs, on the other side, are often more plentiful and accessible, so making it easier to land that first role. So in summary, when deciding between software engineering and data science, consider the mindset, how well defined you want your role to be, career progression, your coding passion, and the entrance barriers for each field. So ultimately, both career paths offer incredible opportunities, and you really can't go wrong with either choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe. What are your thoughts on the future of work in tech? I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding and peace out.
You think that this life's made for a king.